Under the soft glow of village lights, Milo, the fluffy white cat, becomes a beacon of hope as he tiptoes across the rooftops. His tail, radiating moonlight, guides small animals through the night. "Thank you, Milo. You're our moonlight hero," chirp the baby birds, their voices echoing through the quiet village. A sudden wind rustles the leaves, casting the forest into deeper shadow. The forest animals whisper in fear. "Oh no, how will we see?" Milo's glowing tail casts a faint light as he declares, "I must find the moon." Under the starry skies, magical music fills the air as Milo journeys on a leaf boat across the shimmering river. Twinkle calls out, "The moon got stuck behind Dream Mountain." Amidst hopeful music, Milo ascends Dream Mountain, a testament to courage. The moon, ensnared in dream vines, awaits liberation. With Twinkle's encouragement and a gust of wind, Milo frees the moon. Milo returns to the village, fatigue evident, joy overflowing. The moon casts a gentle glow over the village. Hooray for Milo, the Moonlight Cat. The forest animals cheer, celebrating Milo's return.